Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a travel backpack, and this was sent over by a company called Tolaccea, and it's going to come with, obviously, with this little pamphlet here. This is nice because you can flip through it and just see all the various different packing options, but we're going to cover all those features right here in the video. Another nice thing, which I've already had and removed, is it does come with this like removable kind of pouch, if you will. It's great size for putting shoes in here. You can also utilize it for your toiletries. You can carry this separately. It has nice little handles. It even has a little breathe hole so things don't get musty. And it has, otherwise you can just go ahead and put it in the backpack. It's just a nice little optional. It's up to you whether you want to utilize this or not on your travels. But as you can see, here is the backpack right next to me. So it comes in several color options. I have the navy blue one. Looks very, very stylish, very clean. It's got these side little buckles here, which is going to secure your first pouch. So let's go over your first pouch. We're gonna go over each one. The first one is like your quick access pouch. It's also great for like shoes because it is open here on the sides. Nice, big, large pouch. You can easily throw things in there on the go. And then it has a little zipper pouch in the front, which also has a little felt interior. So if you have anything like a tablet or a Kindle or something like that, you can throw that in here, throw anything you simply want. Then the next pouch is what I would call is your waterproof pouch, if you will. This is gonna have, it's basically lined with this aluminum material that you can put anything. So you have a wet swimsuit, you can put it in here and it's not gonna absorb through. It's gonna keep it nice and keeps your wet stuff from getting other things wet or odor or stinky or anything like that. So it's got this nice little lining, which works. And as you can see, it folds all the way down, so it's super, super easy to access. So the next pouch is your main pouch, and there's two ways to access it. So right here at the top, you have basically your quick access point. It just has this little zipper. You can access anything on the top. But when it comes to basically loading it up with all your clothing or anything, you're gonna wanna undo the zipper on the very, very back, because then you can fold it nice and flat. So when you fully open it up, first it's gonna open up into your tech pouch, which you're gonna have a place for your laptop. So this can hold a laptop up to 17.3 inches. And then the next pouch is for a tablet that is up to 12.9 inches. So obviously you can put other things in here, but you got this little tech section. Then you're gonna have a little mesh bag for all your cables and cords. Then you have another little zipper pouch that you can go ahead and put smaller things. It has a bunch of little pouches. And then finally, you're gonna be able from here to access the main pouch where you're gonna put all your clothing, because there is an internal zipper. So simply undo that. And now you have the easy access here to your main compartment where you can put all your clothing, or if you're bringing other stuff, toys, whatever, you can fill this up. On the bottom is this cool little thing. So it gives it's this nice little hard kind of flat piece, which gives it more stability. However, it does have an access for a bottom pouch. So let's say you want to put shoes in there or more stuff. You can simply unbuckle this and then unroll this, and there's a little black bag here. And that's going to allow you to have storage under the underside. Naturally, that's going to take up some of the storage room in the main pouch. So it's kind of basically give or take which one you want to utilize. Now, the main pouch also does do, like I said, that expansion, which will give you a little bit more room, gives you about that, I think it's about 5 inches if you will. But I love the fact that it all opens up 180 degrees, which makes it super easy to access. In particularly the tech pouch, because going through TSA security, this makes it super easy. If somebody wants to see your laptop or your electronics, you just simply undo it. It's easy for them to see. You don't have to take everything out and kind of show them all. Just everything's right here, which is really, really nice feature of it. Now, to give you an idea, on the sides are two more pouches, which are great for little water bottles. You simply unbuckle them, and then you can hide in a bottle. You can hide in other little devices that you need. It just gives you more access, which is really, really cool feature of it. This thing has pockets literally everywhere. So you can have little nooks and crannies where you can just kind of tuck things away, whether it's a water bottle on the side, whether it's your keys, whether it's little snacks for on the airplane. You got a spot for everything. Now, when it comes to comfort, along the back, you do have your big mid-back strap. You do have a reflective straps if you are hiking at night and a car hits it. You do have a mesh back that's raised that has extra cushion, so you don't have, it helps support that weight and then also helps keep you a little bit cool as well. So you have plenty of storage. You have, if you're carrying this on the side, it does have 2 little handles, so that way it's easy also to carry on the side if you're not wanting to basically wear this and just want to carry it. Now, as far as the zippers are all made out of a nice metal, and then the main pouch itself has the ability to lock them. So you do have little 2 holes that you can line up and then put through a lock on them as you wish. But overall, like I said, if you are looking for just a simple, great backpack that has a ton of pouches that you can hide little things for travel, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.